You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this name, a name of Spanish origin? If you want to learn more Spanish pronunciations and names, make sure to stay tuned. In Spanish, it's said as Amancio, Amancio, or certain parts of Spain, Amancio as well, with a C pronounced like TH, so either the C is like an S or like a TH, Amancio or Amancio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.